a to the minus, so this is how we defined, right? This is a definition. A to the n की क्या, so अभी मैं लिख रहा हूँ n is greater than 0. So what is a to the n defined to be equal to? N times, exactly. So note, this is really, you can call it a definition. I would really call it a notation, really. I will call it notation. Because this is not a new concept, right? It's just changing notation. So you're writing it more compactly. आपने पहले कभी ज़िंदगी में देखा हुआ है जिसमें नया concept ना हो लेकिन notation हो for compactness कभी ज़िंदगी में पहले कोई चीज़? So a to the n was, so this notation is a times a times a, and as Samin said, this is n times. Okay. So या कोई चीज़ जिसमें से नोटेशन देखी हो आपने पहले बचपन में, नया कॉन्सेप्ट ना हो बट जिसमें नोटेशन, लाइक you introduce new notation but a new concept which is more compact than the previous notation which was much longer. जी वो तो हमने यही किया है, multiplication, exactly, good. So multiplication is exactly what it is, right? So हमने कहा था 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 17 times is kind of painful, right? So फिर हमने क्या किया था, 2 को 17 times ऐड करने के बाद हमने क्या कहा था, 17 twos. मैं मल्टीप्लाई को कभी नहीं कहता क्योंकि उससे आपकी विजुअलाइजेशन में बॉदर आपको करता है, राइट? 17 twos में व्हाट डू यू सी व्हेन यू से 17 twos, आपको क्या नज़र आता है? 17 twos. That's exactly what you want to see, right? Okay, that's why you should not say times, क्योंकि जब आप times कहते हैं तो मेरी visualization में bother करती है जो है times seems to cause a perturbation in my visualization. Okay, so it's just better to ignore times and just say 17 twos, and that's easier to see. Okay, so this is just a change of note. It's just notation. Then we also, so this is, I don't know whether you want to call it a definition or a notation, so you can call it either way, it's hard. So this was defined to be, yeah, this is not a, so you see हम equal to को mathematics में बहुत बार abuse करते हैं, okay? So for example, think about it. अगर आपने algebra में, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ x equal to 2, so what does it mean? X is, like what you're saying is the value of x is 2, right? If I say x plus 1 whole squared is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, what this means is that we will discuss they are equal as polynomials. It's a different equality. यहाँ पे I'm just saying the value of x is 2. Here I'm not saying the value of this is this. It's a different symbol, वही है, interpretation फ़र्क है. And now if I say 2 plus 3 squared is equal to 25, what I mean is if you evaluate the left hand side and you evaluate the right hand side, they will turn out to be equal. So आप देख रहे हैं कि meanings are slightly different. Symbol वही use मैं कर रहा हूँ, but the meanings are different. So mathematics में कई बार हम equal to को abuse करते हैं, sometimes to define, sometimes to say कि calculate, sometimes you're talking about a different kind of which is an equality of functions is not the same as equality of numbers. But anyway, that's just an aside. So a to the 0 was defined to be 1. You can call it definition or notation, either way is fine. Then why did we define a? So we said a to the minus n, we defined when n is positive. So we can say it is notation, your definition, just I'll just use notation to be consistent. So I'll just say this is also, we're going to rewrite this notation for 1 over a multiplied by a multiplied by a, ये हमने किया था. This is also n. Okay, so why did we do this? Why did we choose this notation? This was very natural. This was this. हमने ये क्यों किया था? What was the reason for doing this? Why did we choose to represent 1 over something as a to the minus n?
1 over something as
Any reasons? जी
क्योंकि हम लोग किसी नंबर को नेगेटिव टाइम्स उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे।
दैट इज़ ट्रू, लेकिन हमने फिर ये क्यों चूज़ किया था? वाई डिड वी चूज़ a to the minus n as saying, अब सवाल ये है कि ये तो हमें पता है दिस was our compact way of saying this was a compact way of saying this, अगर हमें ये दो पता हो तो ये अच्छा तरीका क्यों लगता है हमें? Why do we find this to be a good way? Why is it हमने ये नोटेशन यूज़ की, ये नोटेशन यूज़ की, फिर ये नोटेशन क्यों एक अच्छी नोटेशन है? Why is it a good notation or a definition? Either way you want to. So you can.
All the possible ways that a can be multiplied with itself.
All the ways that a can be multiplied by itself. जो इन्होंने जो एग्ज़ाम्पल दिया हुआ था राइट, उसके अंदर ये देख रहे थे कि यू कुड सी कि you see it's good notation because for example remember a to the n multiplied by a to the m, अगर हमारे पास पॉजिटिव हो n और m, let's say mn are positive, so what is that equal to? Why is that true? जी बेटा फिर आपकी बारी जी।
So because the A is common, it's not common, sorry, it's the same digit, so it's the same.
फिर इनकी बारी, फिर आपकी बारी आएगी जी।
It's the same number, which we can do this because it's the same product.
The question is why is this true? मैं आपसे ये सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन मैं इस इक्वालिटी के बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ जी।
Because if you write a n times and a m times, you can add them.
Yeah, if you write on the left hand side, what is it saying? It's saying right, so this means right, so the left hand side is key. What does it mean? The left hand side means multiply a n times and then multiply so this multiply, so I'll put a dot here for this multiplication, and then multiply a m times, right? That's what it is saying. By definition, this is saying multiply n times and then multiply that by a multiplied by itself m times. So how many times are you multiplying a? n plus m, ये आपने बचपन में सीखा था, right? So this is just equal to a multiplied by itself n plus m times. So that makes sense. So this is good, right? But now this only works when n and m are positive, right? What happens when n is 0 or m is 0? Does it still work, this formula? It's a very nice formula, it's a beautiful formula, right? Ji.
So it would just mean that, for example, if n in this case is equals to 0,
Right.
then it would just mean a n multiplied by a m equals to a n.
Right.
Because n is 0.
Yeah, exactly, absolutely right. So agar a to the, for example, if n is 0, then this is a raised to the power 0 dotted with a raised to the power m, but a raised to the power 0 is just 1. So 1 multiplied by a m times is just a multiplied by itself m times, right? And on the left, on the right hand side, we have a raised to the power 0 plus m, which is again a multiplied by itself m times, so we are good, right? But now, is this formula true when n is negative or m is negative? That's a question that we have to ask. Is this clear? बात हमने ये formula test की है. So now we are confident, we know star, this is the formula. So we know that star is good for n and m greater than equal to 0. We still have to test when n and m are both 0, right? We missed it out. When n is 0 and m is 0, this is a raised to the power 0 multiplied by a raised to the power 0, which is 1 times 1, which is 1. And on the right hand side, we have a raised to the power 0 plus 0, which is a raised to the power 0, which is 1. So we are still good. This formula is still working when n and m are. So ये मैंने जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है वो सही है. But now we haven't tested it for other cases, right? There are other cases to test. What are the other cases to test? For negative numbers, right? So we have to test for maybe. So the question is star good when, let's say, m is greater than 0 and n is less than 0. So let's try this one out. I don't know the answer, right? Now the question would be, yeah, maybe मैं उल्टा कर दूँ, maybe n is greater than 0 मैं पहले positive लिखना मुझे आसान लगता है, so I'm just going to flip, and m is less than 0. Okay, so let's try. So this is going to be, so आपको, so let's write it out. Now remember, a raised to the power n को मैं n लिखूँगा, but a raised to the power m को I'm going to write it as a raised to the power m would be equal to I'm going to write it very explicitly, minus m mod. Do you know this symbol mod?
Yes.
आपको पता है? Okay. So mod means कि अगर आपके पास कोई नेगेटिव नंबर है तो ड्रॉप द नेगेटिव साइन. सो -3 का मॉड क्या होगा? 3. और -2.7 का मॉड? या दैट्स व्हाट वी मीन. इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? या एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू और मॉड आइदर वे. ठीक है. सो व्हाई एम आई राइटिंग इट एज a रेज़ पर -m मॉड? ताकि I am explicitly writing the minus sign. Remember, m is a negative number. m is like -3. तो -3 को मैं किस तरह लिख रहा हूँ? Minus the with the mod of -3. Is this clear? Okay, let's say m is equal to -3 as an example. So what I'm going to write it, I'm going to write m is equal to minus this. So this is a positive number. बात समझ आ गई? Is this clear to everybody? या नहीं समझ आई किसी को? कोई confusion है? All clear? Yeah? Yes? Okay, good. So it looks funny, but what I'm writing is, let me write it out, कि a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power minus m mod. That's the same thing, because m is really minus m mod, because m is a negative number. Okay? Now I know something about it. Right? Ji?
Sir, but if you want to prove that this formula is valid even when one of these
is negative,
exponents is negative,
right?
why do we put mod?
I'm not, I'm just, because I want to know explicitly कि I'm only, you see, जब मैंने यहाँ पे a raised पर minus n किया था, तो n, what is n? A positive number or a negative number? Without negative. Positive number. So जब मैं a raised to the power m करूँगा, when m is a negative number, तो I'll get confused. अब मैंने उसको उसी फॉर्मेट में लिख लिया, a raised to the power minus a positive number. Do you see this? a raised to the power minus a positive number. m mod or m absolute value is positive.
It will just be minus a. It will just be a minus m.
What do you mean? Let's write it out explicitly. Excellent. Let's try. a minus 3 को, now यहाँ पे m is -3. So a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power -3. But when I look at m, I get confused because in general I'm thinking of it as a positive number. But I know it's a negative number. So I could write it as a raised to the power -3 mod. Anything wrong with this? Anything wrong with this? Yes or no? A raised to the power -3 is a raised to the power -3 mod.
So sir, the -3 inside the
-3 का mod क्या होता है? 3. A raised to the power -3, which is a raised to the power -m mod. Now the negative sign is explicit. This is a positive number and this is a negative sign in front of a positive number. So now I have an explicitly negative number. जबकि दिस वॉज ए रेस पर एम वॉज एन इम्प्लिसिटली नेगेटिव नंबर. मैंने उसी चीज़ को एक्सप्लिसिट कर दिया कि इट्स अ नेगेटिव नंबर. ओके, ठीक है जी, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, सो नाउ this is equal to what? This is going to be a multiplied by itself how many times? N times. This will be n times, and then I'm going to have multiplied by 1 over. Now remember, a raised to the power minus a positive number is defined to be, agar meri ye definition ho, 1 over a raised, right? So this will be 1 over dot 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 a, and this will be no, m, not m times, m mod times, right? Because m was a negative number, remember this. Is it clear? ठीक है जी?
Wouldn't you put the minus sign?
No, because minus m mod चाहते हैं आप? Minus m mod is the same as minus m mod. It's the same thing. If you like, if you prefer, यहाँ नहीं लिखा हुआ. यहाँ अगर आप चाहते हैं तो मैं यूँ लिख सकता हूँ. If you really insist.
I'm talking about the one out.
No, there is no outside because that would make it into a negative number. It's a positive number. I am यहाँ पे a raised पर minus positive number was 1 over a, so negative sign यहाँ पे था, explicit sign था, नहीं था ना? यहाँ पे मैंने explicit sign हटा दिया. If you like it this way, okay? But I don't want this, it looks kind of ugly, so I'm just going to work with this. Okay, same thing. You're confused. So why are you confused? Zikriya. Not feeling well? Okay. You want to go and talk to Ghazanfar sahab? You're fine? Okay. 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 कोई चीज़ bother कर रही है किसी को? Okay. Oh, okay. So this now we know the cancellation law for fractions. So now this is going to be, so there are two cases. What are the two cases? So this will turn out to be there are two cases. What are the two cases? In fact, there are three cases. लेकिन जी पहला case.
We can change multiply to bn. Sir, आप multiplication को bn में change कर सकते
Yeah. We know fractions हमें आती हैं, बचपन में हमने सीख ली थी. But तीन cases क्या हैं? What are the three cases that we have to worry about? N is n तो हमें पता है positive है और m negative है. Now what do we have to worry about?
if n is negative.
N can't be negative.
Sorry, if both are negative.
It can't be. N is positive. M is. इसके अंदर हमारे पास तीन cases हैं. कौन से तीन cases हैं? जी. क्या चीज़? वो क्या है? n is positive, m is negative, ये तो हमें पता है.
जब n के डिवीजन के बाद एक पॉजिटिव आएगा, मतलब एक ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा, एक लेस देन 0.
क्या चीज़?
अगर m n से बड़ा है.
Yeah, that's what you're talking about. So hold on. So now we have three cases. A. Let's first take the case n is greater than m. So here. So let's take the case n is greater than m. Let's take this case first. So, oops, मेरा गलत हो गया. So I have to go down. Here, थोड़ा सा. I can't draw it here. Okay. So I'm going to let this formula stay because this is what I want to prove. So I'm going to write a raised to the power n. So अब remember dotted with a raised to the power m, n was greater than 0, m was less than 0. This is the case. Okay. So this is equal to, now there are three cases. The first case is when n is greater than m mod. When n is greater than m mod, what's the answer? Answer क्या आएगा? How many a's on top? So this is n is greater than m mod. So what answer do I get? N minus n minus m mod a's. So we are going to have a raised to the power n minus m mod when n is greater than m mod. That's the first case, right? Because let's say there are 4 a's on top, 3 a's at the bottom. We're going to cancel the 3 a's and we're going to be left with 4 minus 3, which is just 1 a on top. Is this clear? Right? Clear to everybody? Right? क्या चीज़ समझनी है
So over here, the first case, I don't understand the first case.
The first case is, let's say there are 5 a's on top and 3 a's at the bottom. So how many a's will be left?
0, 1.
5 a's on top, 3 a's at the bottom. 2 a's. That's what I wrote. N minus m mod, right? That's the next case. The second case is n is equal to m. What's that? What's it mean? N is equal to m mod, sorry. My silliness, G. N is equal to m mod. So what am I saying here? The number of a's here is the number of a's here. This is saying n is equal to m mod. How many a's are downstairs? Yeah, so what will be left? Yeah. So this is just going to be 1. And when n is less than m mod, we'll be left with how many a's at the bottom? नहीं मुझे अभी तो मैं सिर्फ एक्चुअली कैंसिलेशन कर रहा हूँ, बाद में आएगा. 1 over what? A raised to the power? Yeah, A raised to the power m mod minus n is at the bottom. Agreed? Because यहाँ पे let's say यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 5 हैं, तो you'll be left with 2 a's at the bottom. Agreed? Yeah? ठीक है? A lot of interest. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So now, but this is not this formula. I want this formula. This is a beautiful formula, right? Everybody fell in love with this formula. But now, this doesn't look like this. This looks ugly, right? We don't like this formula. Terrible looking, ugly formula. देख रहे हैं आप कितना ugly formula है ये? We want this formula. So now, is it true कि but now you can see कि what is this equal to? So now let's take all these 3 cases. Now a raised to power n dotted, मैं इसको दोबारा लिखने लगा, multiplied by a raised to power m. Again वही वाला case है, the same case. N is greater than 0, m is less than 0. So this is going to be equal to, there are 3 cases. So n minus m mod, right? Remember m क्या है? Minus m mod क्या चीज़ थी? In terms of m. No, m और minus m mod का आपस में क्या रिश्ता है? They're the same. So how about I replace minus m mod by m? So I'll be left with a raised to the power n plus m when n is greater than m mod. Is this clear? पहला जो मैंने change किया, because a minus m mod is the same as m when m is a negative number, right? Remember, m is a negative number. Is it clear to everybody? नहीं, Mr. Azan के लिए नहीं है clear. So minus 3 mod is the same as minus 3. That's what I'm saying. Except, first of all, is this clear? So this is minus m mod is equal to m. That's what I said. No, it's this case. N is greater than 0. क्योंकि हम, when n was greater than 0, m was greater than 0, this was obvious. So this was obvious. हमने ये कर चुके हुए हैं. We know this formula works for nm greater than equal to 0. ये हम check कर चुके हैं. अब हम चेक कर रहे हैं इज दिस फॉर्मूला करेक्ट व्हेन n इज ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड m इज लेस देन 0. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. ओके, ठीक है जी. सो दिस इज गुड. लेट्स लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन. व्हेन n is equal to m mod, what is this equal to? But this is again because n is equal to m mod, so what is n plus m equal to? 0. So this is also equal to when n is equal to m mod, because m is minus n. बात समझ आ रही है आपको? Because when n is equal to m mod, so this is 3 is equal to minus 3 mod. So what's 3 plus minus 3? 0. That's what I wrote, right? And now the last case is,
How did 1 come in?
because n was equal to m mod, remember there were n a's on top and there were m mod a's on bottom, so they cancelled each other off and there was nothing left.
So sir, we can आप उसका कहते हैं 0
a raised पर 0 आ रहा है. This is the same as, if you will, a raised to the power 0. So I've just written it a raised per 0. And what's the last case? And the last case you can work out is, now remember, m mod positive hai, n is, m mod is bigger than n, right? This is this case. So this means this is a positive power, right? M mod minus n is a positive power, right? So remember, agar ye positive power hogi with this change in notation, what will I write? This I could rewrite as, so this case, so this guy I could rewrite as a raised to the power minus m mod minus n. Is this clear? Are you clear? Because a raised to the power minus n when n is a positive number is 1 over a multiplied by itself n times. So now this is 1 over a multiplied by itself m mod minus n times. So this means this is, in our notation, it is a raised to the power minus m mod minus n. Right? Yeah?
So why did you put the brackets?
Because this is one number. M mod minus n is one number. It's like 4, 3, 2, some positive number. So मैं उस पूरे positive number को negate कर रहा हूँ. I'm saying this is a raised पर, अगर m mod minus n is 2, तो I'm saying this is a raised पर minus 2. Because that's the notation. I'm using my old, so this notation को मैं justify कर रहा हूँ कि why does it make sense. And now, what is, this is just n minus m mod, right? This is just equal to, because I can minus जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, now note कि negative of something like this by the distributive law is a raised to the power n minus m mod. And what is n minus m mod?
N minus
N plus n.
n.
M is negative.
M is negative. So
M is negative. So n minus m mod is the same, n minus 3, n minus 3 mod is the same as n plus minus 3. So this is a raised to the power n plus m when n is less than m mod. Okay? Now you look at this and you say, this is really stupid. You have 3 cases for the same formula. So might as well not worry about the 3 cases. Write down just 1 case. So you would conclude that sir did something really stupid and wasted our time, because when n is greater than 0 and m is less than 0, a is actually just equal to a raised power n plus m, and we already knew it. Do you see it? Do you understand the story? What's the story? Can somebody raise their hand and tell me the story?
did the backstory of the.
No, but what can somebody summarize the mathematical story I just told you? I told you a story. So what's the story I told you? Can you just, without the ugly details that we went through, really ugly details. Actually, I've never gone through these details myself. Do you want to tell me the story? Tell me the story.
We just proved that both the m and n are positive. The formula holds.
Excellent. Hold on. अभी उन्होंने कहा है when both n and m are positive, the formula holds. ये आपने करना था, बताइए दे भैया, आपको होमवर्क था. मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ, आपको होमवर्क. So हमने यहाँ पे ये जो प्रूव किया था, so this was this part. ये हमने define किया. This was really our notation for what we mean when we write these things. When m and n are positive. Then we checked and exactly a proof, because it was just counting. जो बचपन में उस बिल्डिंग में जो छोटे बच्चे काउंट करते हैं 4-5 साल के, वो काउंट करना उनको आता है. तो हमने भी काउंट किया कि ये ए एन है, ये ए एम है, तो इसका मतलब है टोटल एज एन प्लस एम है. दैट्स व्हाट वी डिड एंड वी सेड वी आर हैप्पी विद दिस फॉर्मूला व्हेन एम एंड एन आर ग्रेटर, नॉट जस्ट पॉजिटिव, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. 0 को हमने इंक्लूड कर लिया था बिकॉज हमने वो केस चेक किया. अब अगली स्टोरी, फिर हमने क्या किया?
चेक किया कि अगर n या m में से कोई एक भी नेगेटिव हो तो फॉर्मूला होल्ड करेगा कि नहीं, उसका मैं
एग्जैक्टली. और फिर हमने 3 केसेस लिए बिकॉज वो 3 केसेस लगता था कि बन रहे हैं. We thought there are 3 cases. So we worked out 3 different cases. It turns out that if we define a raised to power minus n this way, then all these 3 cases collapse into just one case. And this formula still holds. So that means that when you are doing your algebra, what's the benefit of this formula? क्या ख्याल है? What's the benefit? A raised power n. So अब हमने कुछ और चेक करना है. Are we missing something? क्या हमने हर चीज़ चेक कर ली?
सर एक तो ये भी हो सकती है अगर n और m दोनों नेगेटिव.
Okay, so that's a good thing. हमने ये चेक नहीं किया. This is easy enough to check, but that's a good point. n is less than 0 and m is less than 0 has to be checked also. Okay?
Both n and m are 0.
Less than 0. Both negative. That has to be checked. That's fairly easy. So can you tell me the proof? What would be the proof when n and m are both less than 0? What would it be? Why would this formula hold when n and m are both less than 0? Why does this formula hold when n and m are both less than 0? इन्होंने कहा कि ये चेक नहीं किया. मैंने कहा जल्दी से चेक कर लेते हैं. बात सही है इनकी. जी, तो क्या करेंगे? Yeah, modeling. Look. Yeah, so what is a raised to the power n exactly would be equal to a raised power minus n mod, and a raised power m will be equal to a raised power minus m mod, which would be equal to what? What would a raised power minus n mod be by definition? What would a raised to the power minus n mod b by definition? What would a raised power minus n mod b by definition? What is this? Can इसको expand करके मुझे बताएं. वो जी ये था, यहाँ से वापस तो नहीं मैं जा सकता. I wanted in expanded form, लंबी सी फॉर्म में. ये तो minus n mod लिखा हुआ है. a raised power minus n, you would be flipping the sign because n is a negative number, so that you would be flipping the sign. जी.
1 over a के power n mod.
How can a raised power minus n mod? Yeah, which is exactly sorry. Yeah, सही. मैं इतना सुन चुका हूँ कि मैं I'm this is just 1 over a multiplied by itself n mod times. Right? That's all that it means. ये मैं पूछा था कि क्या है. Right? Okay, ये n mod होगा. How about you do this? ज़रा कॉपीज़ में ज़रा करें इसको. ये ज़रा केस बल्कि आप करके मुझे बताएं. मेरे ख्याल में I have done too much work and you've been sleeping. तो ये form, check this formula when n and m are less than 0. That's an easy enough to do. It's a 2-minute job. Actually, a 2-minute job. A real copy, Mr. Huh? Yeah. With a proper, I want to grade it. I want to see आप लोग कर क्या रहे हैं. I mean, I need to check your work. So in order to check your work, I need to know कि आप लोग सही काम कर रहे हैं. Okay, have you understood anything out of what we have done? Thought I'll do a lot more. So पहले आप कर लें जल्दी से, and then once you do it, then I'll give a comment. ये टाइम सही है? ओके ठीक. बेल कब होगी? 8:40. Okay, we have some time. Interesting clock वैसे, colorful. I think I'm just looking at your pen. You write with an inverted pen? Okay, take it, it's fine. Curious. So जब कर लें ये फॉर्मूला चेक कर लें तो मुझे दिखाइएगा कि ये फॉर्मूला चेक हो गया. जस्ट रेज योर हैंड व्हेन यू आर डन. I'll probably erase this because it will just annoy you for no reason at all. Yeah, I'm going to erase this. Can I erase this part of the board? किसी को कोई इतराज़ तो नहीं है? This small portion. All good? Can I erase? Yeah. Yeah, roughly correct. So, what have you concluded?
38.
This is not a good formula. It's a bad formula. The conclusion is bad. जनाब आप लोग सारे कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं जो बड़ा खौफनाक है कि a रेज़ टू द पावर n मल्टीप्लाइड बाई a रेज़ टू द पावर m a रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस n प्लस m. अगर ये होना शुरू हो गया तो आपके ग्रेड 7 और 8 वाले रोना शुरू कर देंगे. उनकी ज़िंदगी अब बहुत ख़राब करने वाले हैं इफ़ यू डू दिस. Okay, so let's look at this. What is a raised to the power n equal to? This is just equal to is equal to
a to the power of so it's a to the power of minus mod
of n.
Mod n.
Great. Which is by definition, because n is now n mod is a positive number, so I can use this definition and write it as 1 over a multiplied by itself n mod times. Agreed? That's what a raised to the power n is. Similarly, a raised to the power m is the same thing with 1 over a multiplied by itself m times. So now I'm going to not go over here but go over here So now what we have is a raised to the power m is also equal to a raised to the power minus m mod, which is 1 over a multiplied by itself m mod times. So a raised to the power n dotted with a raised to the power m is going to be 1 over a multiplied by itself n mod times and 1 over a multiplied by itself m mod times. So this is going to be n mod, this is going to be m mod. So this is going to be 1 over a multiplied by itself how many times? N mod plus m mod times. So this will just be n mod plus m mod times, right? But this would be, because n mod plus m mod is a positive number, so this is this thing, so this will be equal to a over minus n mod plus m mod. Do you agree? Because n mod plus m mod is a positive number, I can take it upstairs and put a negative sign in front of it. And now what is this thing?
N plus m.
This is n plus m, and this is just equal to a over n plus m, and that is a check that we have done. और आप जो गलती कर रहे थे वो ये था कि आप माइनस के अंदर मुझे जवाब दे रहे थे, which was wrong. Okay, so now we have checked it when n is less than 0 and m is less than 0. Are we missing anything yet? Any other cases that we are missing?
I have a question.
जी.
What if in a raised to power 0, a is equal to 0?
उसके बाद में a हम अभी भी वैल्यू नहीं डालते. 0 रेज़ पर 0 जो आप कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं, you have to calculate the limit. So it's a calculus concept that we don't have right now. We can talk about it later on. But do you understand?
But we are using a raised to power 0 equal 1.
Yeah, in algebra, a raised power 0 is defined to be 1 so long as the value of a is not 1. Because when we write 1 over a is assumed to be not equal to 0. Otherwise, it would be a nonsensical statement. What is 1 over a?
1 over a raised to power minus 1.
वैल्यू क्या बन ए इज़ 0. मैं ये आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आप भी मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. 1 over a की वैल्यू क्या है? इट्स अनडिफाइंड. So that's why we don't like a being equal to 0 when we're going to allow negative powers in this game. Okay? और अगर उसको there is a way to define it, उसके अंदर आपको calculus use करना पड़ता है, the concept of limits. That's something that's not hard, but we are not doing it right now. We're doing algebra. So उसमें आप जब भी आप denominator लिखते हैं ना, there's an assumption it's not equal to 0. That's what you mean. Okay? जी. Are we missing any cases?
If n is smaller than m and m is smaller than 0.
Doesn't matter, because they're both adding. They're negative numbers, they both add to get more negative numbers. So उससे कोई फर्क, हमने यहाँ पे n less than 0, m less than 0 कोई ख़ास. There's a case that we are missing, at least.
So what if one number is negative and the other is positive? Oh sorry, one is equal to 0 and
Yeah, that case we are missing. So ये आप घर जाके कर लें. It's a trivial case. You can do it, but it's worth. You still have to do it. I mean, if you have to be careful. You have to take the case n equal to 0 and m is less than 0. That's a case that you have to worry about. वो हमने नहीं किया. Okay? So अगर ये case कर लेंगे, then we'll be done. So now, if you were to do all the cases in the world, you will find out that actually this formula is true for all the cases in the world. Right? And that's the beauty of this notation. Now do you understand why do we want to define it this way? ये बात समझ आ रही है आपको कि अगर हम इसको यूं डिफाइन ना करते तो we would not have gotten this beautiful formula out. And you know कि आपकी ज़िंदगी in algebra would have been very miserable if a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m depended on whether n was positive, negative, क्या था क्या नहीं था, आपको कुछ नहीं पता होता, right?
Sir,
जी.
so the case we left out is n is equal to 0.
And m is less than 0. It's trivial, it's just one, yeah. But इट हैज़ टू बी डन. सो ये बहुत सारे सवाल जो मैं आपको समझाना चाहता था. सो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लुक एट क्वेश्चन 54 जो आप लोगों ने किया था. 54 में वो कहता है आपसे, प्लीज़ आप कैन यू शेयर, बिकॉज आई एम स्टीलिंग हिज बुक, सो प्लीज़ शेयर, थैंक यू. सो फाइंड अ फॉर्मूला फॉर a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. ओके, आप देख रहे हैं हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला वर्कआउट किया? a raised to the power m what? No, what did we? Multiplied by, thank you, a raised to the power n. ये हमने वर्कआउट किया है. अब वो आपसे कहता है फाइंड अ फॉर्मूला फॉर a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. अगला क्या सवाल वो पूछते हैं? सो फॉर्मूला आपने कुछ लिख दिया. व्हाट फॉर्मूला विल यू राइट? a raised to the power m minus n लिखेंगे, राइट? फिर वो अगला सवाल क्या पूछता है? पढ़ें जरा अगला सवाल वो क्या पूछता है. वही उसी पार्ट का अगला पार्ट क्या है? या तो अब आपको जो हमने तकलीफ़ की है वो आपको तकलीफ़ करनी पड़ेगी फॉर डिवीजन. मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए तकलीफ़ की है, आपको डिवीजन के लिए तकलीफ़ करनी पड़ेगी. इज़ दिस क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? या दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन. ये बात समझ आ रही है आपको कि आपने फॉर्मूला तो लिख दिया, लेकिन इज़ इट वैलिड फॉर ऑल केसेस? दैट यू हैव टू चेक. ओके, ठीक है, बात समझ आ रही है? क्वेश्चन किसी को? ओके, दैट वाज क्वेश्चन 54. सो यू कैन सी कि मैंने अमूमन क्रॉस आउट किया हुआ है चीज़ें और कुछ क्रिप्टिक से कमेंट दिया हुआ है उस जब आपको ग्रेड करके दिया था. उसका मकसद ये था कि आप लोगों को सवाल ही समझ नहीं आई तो आपने जवाब मुझे नहीं दिया जो देना चाहिए था. इज़ दिस क्लियर कि जवाब क्या होना था? राइट, डिवीजन के लिए आपको ये सारी चीज़ रिपीट करनी पड़ेगी, टेकिंग ऑल द केसेस एंड वरिंग अबाउट ऑल द केसेस. यू हैव टू डू सो. दैट्स वन थिंग. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में कोई सवाल? क्योंकि अभी मैं आपको कॉपीज़ वापस दूंगा ग्रेड करके, आपका जो काम नया है तो आपने वो पुराने सवाल करने हैं. राइट राइट मिस्टर अरकम, क्या करना है आपने? जी, जो आप लोगों ने समझा नहीं था सवाल और आपने मुझे वैसे ही करके दे दिए थे, वो अब आपने, जब मैं आपको ग्रेड करके कॉपीज़ वापस करूँगा तो आपने वो सवाल फिर करने हैं अब डिवीजन के साथ. गो बैक एंड चेक, क्योंकि आपको सवाल समझ नहीं आई थी तो आप जवाब दे नहीं सके थे. इज़ दिस क्लियर? ओके बेटे, आप बाकी सारे मैं तो वॉक थ्रू कर रहा हूँ. आप व्हेन यू गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस यू विल सी कि आप लोगों को सवाल का मकसद समझ नहीं आया कि वो पूछ क्या रहा है. राइट, जो 51 है, लेट्स लुक एट 51 बिफोर आई गो टू 51. इज़ द इक्वालिटी a रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस n वैलिड फॉर नेगेटिव n? इसका क्या मतलब है? एंड फॉर n इक्वल टू 0. अगर ये सवाल का मतलब क्या, मुझे मतलब समझाएं. जवाब तो बात का मसला है. सवाल क्या कह रहा है? इज़ a रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस n वैलिड फॉर नेगेटिव n? सवाल क्या पूछ रहा है वो? मुझे ज़रा सवाल समझाएं आसान ज़ुबान में. जी, but don't we know?
Yes.
Don't we know this is true when n is negative?
This formula when it's negative.
या हमें पता नहीं है.
And when n is 0.
ओह, हमें पता नहीं है ऑलरेडी. हमें पता है कि इट्स वैलिड. वो क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? हम इट इज़ नोटेशन. दैट्स माई आंसर. फिर हम क्या प्रूव करेंगे?
So we have to prove that it's equal when this is true when it's negative.
यहाँ भी ये भी फॉर्मूला, ये भी फॉर्मूला. या देयर इज नथिंग टू डू. राइट, गेलफंड इज रियली स्टूपिड. ही आस्क्ड रियली स्टूपिड क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स हमें गेलफंड के बारे में क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए कि वेदर इज अ स्मार्ट मैथमेटिशियन. ही वाज प्रीटी स्टूपिड. राइट, ही आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन जो पहले वो कर चुका हुआ है. इज दैट राइट? या वी ऑल एग्री? एक्सेलेंट.
Sir, only in this case.
ओनली इन दिस केस. एक्चुअली आप लोग सवाल नहीं समझ रहे वो क्या पूछ रहे हैं. दैट्स अगेन व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग. व्हाट इज़ ही आस्किंग? आपको ये कब पता है? व्हेन इज दिस ट्रू? व्हेन
When n is greater than 0.
तो वो सवाल क्या पूछ रहे हैं? व्हेन n इज लेस देन 0 इज इट वैलिड? सो अब मुझे नहीं पता कि ये वैलिड है कि नहीं है. राइट, वैलिड है कि नहीं है? नहीं, वो तो हमने इसको यूज़ करते हुए हमने सो व्हाट वी हैव हमने इसको सो व्हाट यू डू इज दैट कम्स आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज a रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस. क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि यू हैव अ नेगेटिव नंबर. This is an explicitly negative number. Is it clear? वो a raised to the power when n is a negative number. So a raised to the power minus n, where n is a negative number. Is this clear? अभी अभी पहुंच रहे हैं पॉजिटिव, लेकिन अभी हमने we have to use the definition, right? So now this is a raised to the power minus a negative number, which would be equal to a raised to the power n mod, because minus the negative of a negative number is a positive number. It is not multiplying by a negative number. That's a different, slightly different thing. Okay, the negative of a negative number is a negative number, so it's a raised to power n mod, which is going to be equal to a multiplied by itself how many times? N mod times. So is it equal to, are we done? Have you answered Gelfand? No, obviously not. What do we need to do to convince you that we have done what Gelfand wants? हमने प्रूव क्या करना था?
A minus n equals to
मैंने तो अभी ये एक साइड ली है उसकी, ये दिखाई है. What do I have to prove?
that n is less than
मुझे ये प्रूव करना था, remember, a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 over a raised to the power n, right? Now this
n is negative.
when n is negative के लिए मैं प्रूव करना था, तो मैंने a raised to the power minus n को तशरीह की है, it is a multiplied by itself n mod times. Now आप जरा राइट हैंड साइड की तशरीह करें. मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तशरीह की, दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. आप जरा राइट हैंड साइड की जरा करें तशरीह करें. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ क्या करके आपका आंसर क्या आता है. डू द राइट हैंड साइड when n is negative. और जो कर ले फिर मुझे दिखाए कि राइट हैंड साइड की तशरीह क्या है, एंड देन आर द टू साइड्स इक्वल. दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द थिंग दैट यू आर लुकिंग एट. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव व्हेन n इज लेस देन 0. दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन जो हम आंसर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Expired. हो गया, दिखाइए. 1 over when n is negative, n is negative, so n is negative का मतलब है कि a raised power n when n is negative is a raised power minus n mod. So why is that true? कहाँ से है मुझे पता, मुझे तो नहीं इल्म इस रूल का. आपको कहीं से पता होगा, प्रूव आप ही करेंगे इसको. मैं तो नहीं इसको जानता, मुझे तो फ्रैक्शंस का पता है. That's good. I like it because that's exactly the mistake that I was hoping somebody would make. So I'm really glad that you made this mistake. जी? Yeah, because I can talk about it then, because I know that you are all going to make this mistake. मेरे ख्याल में, I could be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. But मुझे लगता है कि people will make this mistake. दिखाइए. 1 over a raised power, ये क्या लिख रहे हैं? Sorry, minus n mod. ये क्या है? 1 over, उसको आपने लिखा है 1 over a raised to the power n को लिखा है. 1 over a raised to the power n is 1 over a raised power minus n mod. हाँ, ये किस तरह हो गया 1 over a raised power n mod? 1 over a raised power minus n mod किस तरह हो गया? ये नेगेटिव, ये देखे ना, a raised power n होना है. 1 over a raised power n. What's a raised power n? A raised power minus n mod, right? So this is what you have to prove, right? This is 1 over a raised to the power n, which is going to be 1 over a raised to the power 1 over a raised power minus n mod. That is exactly what it is when n is less than 0. But I don't know what it is because I only know this is equal to 1 divided by, because a fraction is a division, what is 1 divided by a raised power n mod? What's a raised power n mod? That definition. This is going to be 1 over a multiplied by itself n times. Is this clear?
So why did you divide by
1 divided by a raised power minus n mod. That's what it is. That's what a fraction is. बचपन में जब आप बहुत छोटे थे उस वक्त आपको होपफुली किसी ने समझाया था कि दिस इज व्हाट दिस थिंग इज. व्हाट इज 2 over 3? 2 divided by 3. What is 1 over a raised power n mod? 1 divided by a raised power minus n mod. But what is this equal to? This is equal to 1 divided by what's a raised power minus n mod? It's this guy, which is 1 over a multiplied by itself n mod times. Agreed? And now उससे भी बचपन में आपको ये बताया था कि when you divide fractions, what do you do?
both sides?
Yeah, you invert and multiply, right? And I'm going to ask you next time, why do you invert and multiply? And I'm going to fail you if you don't tell me the reason. So this is just going to be 1. If I invert and multiply, that's what you get, n mod times. And this is just a multiplied by itself n mod times. And that's what we exactly had on the left hand side. So that's why it's true. बात समझ आई आपको? जी.
Then why do you write a mod a raised power minus n into 1 over a?
क्या चीज़?
Then
ये
why
वाली?
has become-
ये वाली?
No, that-
यहाँ?
down.
ये?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this thing defined to be equal to? What is it? कहाँ पे definition है? ये. So मैंने उसकी definition use की है. Okay? Is this clear? So now note, जी, अब क्या दिखा रहे हैं मुझे? Oh, it doesn't matter. अब तो हो गया. Now the point is कि you need to understand the delicacy of Gelfand. Okay? This is delicate. ये आपको बात समझ नहीं आ रही. ये आप अभी भी यूजुअल बेशक 8वीं का मैथमेटिक्स करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आंखें बंद करके अप्रॉक्सीमेटली सवाल कर लिया. आपको सोचना है क्या मैंने डिफ़ाइन कर दिया है, कहाँ से ये फॉलो कर रहा है, क्या मैंने हर केस कवर कर लिया. आपने देखा कि दिस ट्रिवियलिटी जो आपने सवाल था जो किसी ने नहीं किया था, आप में से किसी ने ये सवाल नहीं किया था. और द रीज़न वाई किसी ने ये सवाल नहीं किया था ये है कि किसी ने गौर ही नहीं किया था कि सवाल है क्या. ओके, सो ये कंटिन्यू करता रहेगा. आपके बाकी सारे सवाल हैं. सो यू कैन नोट डाउन 56, 57, 59. You can write it down. You have to do all of these questions again. So do 51, 54,
51, 54.
56, 57, 59 again. और अगर कोई 60 कर सके तो मुझे करके बता दे, because nobody managed to do 60 the last time I looked at 51, 54. I can write it down for you. 51. Let me erase this. So what a beautiful, like I mean this is so beautiful कि like अगर आपको subtlety समझ आना शुरू हो, it's like appreciating the beauty of mathematics and algebra. I mean it's not about हम कोई बहुत like but just subtle, खूबसूरत है. That's what it is. I mean it's like appreciating art. 51, 54 या high quality literature, same thing. So this is old stuff. ये भी आपका पुराना है, but this is really it's ये जो सारे सवाल हैं 51 से लेकर जो 59 तक मैं बता रहा हूँ, इनकी जो डायरेक्शन है एक ही है कि डिफ़ाइन करके बताओ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 raised to the power half, वाई शुड इट बी. ये सवाल था, आप लोगों ने किसी ने गौर नहीं किया, ना किसी ने कोई जवाब दिया सही कि वाई डज इट मेक सेंस टू डिफाइन इट टू बी इक्वल टू 2. समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? क्यों डज इट मेक सेंस? आई मीन यू हैव टू थिंक हार्डर अबाउट दीज आइडियाज़. पावर्स के ऊपर ना वो आपको सोचना, वो आपको सुचवाना चाह रहा है कि थिंक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. सो एज यू कैन सी कि स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम समथिंग वेरी सिंपल, a raised power m, which was just counting, preschool counting, right? preschool counting में ये बता रहा हूँ आपको, 2 + 3 is 5. ये आपने बचपन में सीखा था when you were very young. वहाँ से जाकर we got to such beautiful and sophisticated mathematics. So that's why किसी ने ढंग से attempt नहीं किया था. Nobody really did 60, I think, in any serious way. And you see मकसद ये नहीं है, oh नहीं 60 नहीं, 60 भी, sorry, I'm sorry, 60 वही है, 60 is what I'm talking about. So 60 is what I talked about. So 60 भी इसी का हिस्सा है. ये वाला. There was a question which I wanted you to do, which was कौन सा है? Yeah, which was 72. और 72 किसी ने ढंग से नहीं किया था. And you see, आप लोग जब इम्तिहान जो कल परसों आने वाला है उसमें गड़बड़ ये होगी कि यू रियली नीड